Welcome. If you've noticed Snapchat popping into a small floating window while you're using other apps, that's the picture-in-picture feature at work. While it can be useful for multitasking, not everyone enjoys the distraction. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your device's main controls live, so once you're in, you're already halfway there. Next, scroll down until you find Apps or App Management. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone, but both options lead to the same place. Tap on it to see the full list of apps installed on your device. Now look for Snapchat in the list. You can scroll manually or use the search bar at the top if it's available. Once you find Snapchat, tap on it to open its settings. Inside the Snapchat app settings, you'll see several options related to permissions and features. Here you need to find Picture-in-Picture. Tap on that option to continue. You'll now see a toggle labeled Allow Picture-in-Picture. If it's currently enabled, simply switch it off. Once you do that, Snapchat will no longer open in a floating window while you're using other apps. And that's it. The change takes effect immediately, so you don't need to restart your phone or the app.